Have you ever wondered why a giant elephant doesn't just snap a thin thread and run away? It is because when it was a baby, it was tied with a very heavy iron chain. No matter how hard it tried back then, it couldn't break free now. Its brain believes I am stuck forever. Our lives are just like that elephant. Because someone broke our trust in the past, we build massive walls around us. Trust issues are not just a minor problem. They push every good person away from your life. You feel, everyone is selfish, one day everyone will leave me. This fear poisons every relationship. Even when someone is kind, you look for a hidden motive. You are constantly playing detective. People with trust issues want to stay safe. But this safety leads them into extreme loneliness. It usually starts with a deep betrayal from someone close in the past. That one moment changed your brain forever. Your brain is now on high alert. It thinks trusting someone means putting yourself in danger. You might want to love someone, but that inner fear stops you from moving forward. You doubt every little thing, from checking phones to questioning their tone of voice. Your mind never rests. It is not just that you don't trust others. You don't trust yourself to choose the right people. The strange thing about trust issues is, you want people close, but you push them away out of fear. You view your beautiful current relationships through the lens of past pain. It is a tragedy even at work. You can't rely on anyone. By doing everything yourself, you face extreme burnout. This distrust hinders your progress. Because achieving something big requires teamwork and cooperation. Your life feels like an incomplete puzzle where the main piece, trust, is always missing. You cannot spend your whole life wearing this heavy armor. It protects you, but it doesn't let you live. You live in constant paranoia. It feels like everyone is waiting for a chance to hurt you. Trust issues steal your time and energy. You spend all day worrying about imaginary conspiracies. As a result, you drive away honest people. In the end, only those who exploit your distrust remain. You know you need to trust, but you lack the courage to take that first step. Trust is like glass once broken. It's very hard to put back together, but it's not impossible. You must realize that not everyone in the world is the same. One bad story isn't the end of your life. It is time to take off this heavy armor. It's time to give yourself another chance. Building trust is a slow process. It doesn't happen overnight, but it will set you free when you start trusting people again. Only then can you feel true love and friendship. But how do you escape this deep suspicion? How do you turn off this false alarm in your brain? Now, we will learn amazing psychological hacks to overcome trust issues and heal your heart. The first step to overcoming trust issues is learning to trust yourself. Believe in your own judgment. Make a list. Separate those who hurt you in the past from those who are with you now. The second hack is release old pain. Forgiving them isn't for their benefit, it is to lighten your own heart. The third way is creating healthy boundaries. You don't need blind faith, just a solid fence. Start trusting people in small things. Give them small responsibilities before sharing big secrets. Fourth tip: focus on people's actions instead of their words. Trust is earned through consistency over time. If the trust issues are too deep, seek professional help. Talking to a therapist can heal deep wounds. Learn to listen to your gut feeling. Intuition is different from suspicion. Learn to tell the difference. Tell yourself daily, I am safe now, I am aware. This calms the fear alarm in your brain. Stop staying in a defensive mode all the time. Taking a small risk is a part of being alive. Remember, trust isn't built in a day. It's like a tree that grows slowly with care. Don't write your new chapter with the ink of suspicion. Give new people a chance to prove themselves. When you trust someone, you are actually giving yourself peace. Carrying distrust is exhausting. If someone breaks your trust again, remember, it is their failure, not yours. You stayed honest. Set yourself free, step out of the prison of distrust and breathe. Good people still exist. True friendship and love are only possible when you open your heart. Distrust isolates you. Forget about imaginary plots and focus on the beauty of reality. Judge people by their work. You are now more mature and experienced. No one can trick you as easily as before. Your heart has healed. It is time to entrust it to the right people. Leave the darkness of the past behind and move toward a new dawn. Let trust be your strength. When your mind is calm, the whole world becomes your friend. Let peace be your destination. Every betrayal teaches you something. Use that lesson to become a better person. Your best chapter is just beginning. Have faith in yourself and in nature. You are invincible once you regain your power to trust. Let's conquer this fear together. Now is the time for your comeback. Is there anyone in your life you trust with all your heart? Or is past pain still holding you back? Let us know in the comments, and if you are ready to break the walls of distrust, type I am ready to trust. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share this with a friend who is struggling with loneliness. Prioritize your mental peace. Stay healthy and stay with BrainVas. Thank you.